Hi everyone, my name is Liam McLennan. Welcome to my course, Testing React Components. I am a software delivery consultant and former Chief Technology Officer. React helps us to build manageable user interfaces, but user interfaces are complex. They contain logic, and that logic needs to be tested. In this course, we are going to explore the approaches and tools available for testing React components, while we add tests to a sample React application. Some of the major topics that we will cover include setting up a testing environment for React components, how to write testable components, testing tools and how to use them, isolating components by mocking their dependencies, and testing asynchronous components. By the end of this course, you'll know how to approach the testing of React components in your own applications. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with web development, JavaScript, and React. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn the best ways to test React components with the Testing React Components course at Pluralsight.